Watch the TY38.
All right. Detail World, YouTube. I hope y'all doing well today. Today's a glorious day. If you look at the sky, it is very nice and clear. But we headed to our first and only appointment of the day, man. Like I say, business has been slow, but it's all good. I'm still grateful that I'm able to get out here and make the money. I had 2 appointments, but I watched my granddaughter last night, and my daughter didn't get to my house. My bad, but yeah, so I had to reschedule that appointment if she rescheduled back with me. Sorry this road sounds so raggedy, but you see we on the interstate headed to this location, not too far from here, but y'all already know, man, we gonna get there, get it done, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace.
YouTube, Detail World, what it do? We finally made it to the first stop. Would have took us a little bit long because there was a major accident out there, but we rerouted. We actually got here 12 minutes earlier, but right now we're about to do this Honda. We're gonna work on the interior first. We already got the bucket that got all the brushes and utensils that I usually need to get to the interior. Got the all-purpose vacuum out generator back there, but you see the inside, I got a little job to do, man. You see it's a little dirty in here. You know, I got dirt literally everywhere. So we're gonna get in here and make sure that we clean it, dust it off real good. You know what I mean? Definitely get all the way in here, vacuum under the seats, between the seats, mats, pedals, seats, just everything, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get it started. You see we get in here with the cup holders and the entertainment system, got dust right there and things like that. But it's gonna take us a little time to get it because it's dirty car, and then it's my only car today. Like I told y'all, my daughter ended up getting to the house late. I end up had to reschedule my first appointment, but y'all already know, man, that's nothing major. Hope she rescheduled me. If not, it's nothing that we can really do about it. I'm just happy, like I told y'all before, that I'm able to get out here to make this money because it's a blessing, and I'm very grateful about that. But I hope you, whatever you got going on today, man, if you got any misunderstandings within yourself or misunderstandings with some friends or family, man, go ahead and try to talk it out. Try to figure out what it is y'all can do to alleviate whatever the situation going on, and try to make it even better, man, because, you know, family is all we really got. You know, we got some friends that we consider family, but, you know, when it all boils down to it, family are the one that we need before anybody. But y'all see, you got your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, rocks, pebbles, things like that. So we're gonna get in here, get it cracking, man, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Definitely be good, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. YouTube, Detail World, man. It took me 3 hours to get this car done, literally 3 hours, but we got the car completely done. And out, you remember what the car looked like, man. It was really dirty on the exterior of the car. The wheels was real dirty, and the interior was definitely dirty too. But we got the whole thing done, man. We definitely feeling let her come outside, look at the car, things like that. Y'all remember? My bad, the camera doing it. Y'all see, man, how the car looks. The car came out wonderful, man. All the things that was in the seats and things like that are actually up. Entertainment system right downstairs. So we're gonna go ahead and let her know we done. Go ahead and park it. Get ready and head home, man. But y'all already see it, man. We take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on. Only thing I need to do now is just tire shine these tires or move the car up, because it still got some dirt when I was spraying those mats off. It flew back on the car. But like I said, you know, tomorrow we got a semi-busy day. I think we got like 4 cars to do tomorrow. It may rain sometime during the week, but y'all already know, man. We over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service take so much pride in whatever we got going on. So I hope you take pride in what you got going on. And I'm gonna definitely catch y'all at the next one. Remember, man, one love, can't love thyself. You don't can't love nobody if you don't love yourself, man. Y'all gotta remember that, man. Self-love, self-care is everything, man. So remember, show that love, give that love, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace.
YouTube, watch the TY38.